backflip. Hey!
There's a Bobcat.
So you may be asking yourself, how do you know if a cylinder is rebuildable or not? Well, there's a few things that you need to look at. And really, hydraulic cylinders, really simple, really simple. So the first thing you want to check out is the rod. Is the rod bent, or does it have any nicks that will catch a fingernail? If it is, the rod will have to be replaced. Is there any external damage? Is there any bends or dents that would keep the piston from traveling back and forth freely in the bore? If it is, the cylinder's junk. You look at the ends, the eyes. Are they in good shape? Are they oblong, oval? Are they round? If they're in good shape, reuse them. If they're oblong or wallered out, you can sleeve them. You can weld and then remachine, or it'd probably be more cost effective, especially on a cylinder of this size, to just have it replaced.
So behind me is a Bobcat 8709 skid steer attachment that I won at an auction a couple of weeks ago. I finally got it hooked up to the skid steer to test it out, and it turns out the bucket cylinder, the tilt cylinder, is bad on it. It's just really slow. All the other cylinders work great on it. So what I've done is I've picked up a rebuild kit for that cylinder, and this video is going to be about rebuilding that cylinder and testing out the functionality of this here attachment. So looks like the first thing I'm going to need to do is to get my skid steer over here, get this thing attached and picked up so we can easily service the bucket cylinder pins. It's been really chilly here in Tennessee this past week, and this thing is notoriously hard to start.
A few moments later.
So you're gonna need some wrenches, hammer, something to drift this stuff out with, the pins. Not bring pliers, hammer, and a bucket for catching.
you gotta watch out. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. So it was at this point that I realized that the cylinder kit that I ordered is not the correct one for what we need. So I'm gonna post up the part number for the cylinder kit for the bucket cylinder. Now it's a little bit harder to find, and you probably have to do some digging to get that from a supplier. The boom cylinder is readily available. It's all over eBay. But I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you didn't, well, the other button works just as well. So I ran out of battery on this one, and I don't have the kit. So look forward to the next video where we're going to be taking the cylinder apart, putting the kit in, and getting it back on the machine, do a little functions check. So hope you guys enjoy.